Sir, now some honorable members have expressed the fear that the management may misuse this power. Stop. I have already made it clear that the present provision is already there in the Act, and this is an improvement that we say that instead to forfeit wholly, he can have the opportunity or the power to forfeit it partially. Stop. Regarding the question of the misuse of his power, supposing an employer misuses this power and the indiscriminately forfeits the gratuity, the employee has got the right to raise the dispute. Stop. He can dispute it, contest it. Stop. If the conciliation falls, he can go to the tribunal or to the labor court. Stop. The labor courts are presided over by judicial officers. Stop. Whatever the labor court decides is bringing on both the employees and the employers. Stop. Therefore, it is not correct to say that this power of partial forfeiture will be misused. Stop. I do not think this is going to be misused by the employer. Stop. I feel that there are sufficient opportunities which are open to the employee to challenge such a misuse exercised by the management. Stop. So it is definitely an improvement on the existing provision of the Act. Stop. Para. Some honorable members expressed the opinion that sufficient time is taken in making the payment of gratuity. It is not being paid promptly. Stop. I want to make it clear that the rules relating to the payment of gratuity already provided that an employee shall apply for payment of gratuity within 30 days from the date of gratuity becomes payable, and the employer has to make the payment within 30 days from the date of the receipt of the application for payment of gratuity. Stop. So the time limit is already prescribed and he has to pay the amount as per time limit fixed in the rules. Stop. Some honorable members wanted to know why this limit of 10 workers was prescribed. Stop. It is because the Payment of Gratuity Act says that this is applicable only to the establishment. Stop. In section 2, it is said to what category of industries and establishments it is applicable. Stop. So, in the Act, it has been made clear that such other establishments or class of establishments in which 10 or more employees are employed or were employed on any day of the preceding 2 months by notification, especially in this behalf. Stop. we have got the powers, the government has got the power